everyone, welcome to Philvy's Story. Today I'm going to cook winter melon soup using a steamer. I got this small portion of winter melon from the wet market today and it cost less than $2. I'm gonna remove the skin and then also the seeds and portion it into the 3 mini bowls. For the red dates, if you like it sweet, then put 2. If you want it less sweet, just 1 will do. Carrot is optional. If you like it, you can put it. If you don't like it, you can opt it out. I have 2 chicken fillet here and I cut into small portion. I recommend to blanch it first if you want a clear soup. If not, it does not matter. I season each bowl with roughly half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder, and crushed black pepper. Then I fill the bowl with hot water. I'm going to steam this for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I'm gonna sprinkle in some goji berries and then I'm gonna keep it warm until dinner time. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.